Alright guys, welcome back to another video here on the channel, man. So today's video, we finally got our traction control switch here that's gonna be going on my Silverado SS. If you guys are gonna enjoy this video, make sure you guys drop a like and subscribe with the bell notifications turned on all. Share this video out with a friend. If any company sponsor wants to work with me, my business email's down below in the description with my social medias. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers, guys. Subscribe. We do post every single day. And yeah, let me know what other videos you guys want to see here on the channel. So if you guys are new to this channel, this is my Silverado Z71 single cab. As you guys can see, this is my daily driver truck. Something slight, very clean, simple. Nice cluster on the dash. Z71 badge. Nice double din radio. LEDs all around. Z71 custom insert badge with the LED rear mirror. Stock seats, stock interior, OEM parts, just OEM plus style chat, you know, the usual. So just a casual truck. So for my other truck, if you guys don't know, I do have a second truck, being the Silverado SS. So basically, chat, being the Silverado SS, I do got my other truck. Let me know y'all like this as well, with the flash on, or should I turn it off? I think it looks better like that. But with the Silverado SS, chat, I have my truck interior, right? So for my Silverado SS, on the left pocket, on these badges, these switches, it doesn't come with it. So the Silverado SS originally has an all-wheel drive system. Well, for the least, my 2003 truck. For Silverado SS started doing rear-wheel drive, or getting as an option for all-wheel drive. I believe it was starting with 2005 or 2004. Correct me if I'm wrong. Let me know in the comments. I think it was 2005 or 2005 and up, which is 2005 and 2006. So you were given an option if you wanted the all-wheel drive package or the rear-wheel drive package. And since if you don't have, or you have the first ever made Silverado SS being the all-wheel drive, normally there's literally an empty pocket right here. And normally people get like covers from eBay and such, which looks cool. But to me, I like OEM parts. Right now, I believe on my truck, I do have a Jesus Christ Pro tray on there, which looks very clean and matches the truck because it has a blue background. But for the headlight switches for my Silverado SS, it's the same thing. Have the blue blinkers right here instead of the red, being with the cargo lamp. And as well, I added a fog light on my Silverado SS. Although you could add fog lights to the truck, I just haven't done so. But at least I did add the switch whenever I'm ready to add actual fog lights to my Silverado SS, because originally Silverado SS does not come with fog lights. But at least I have the switch ready. It's all just a plug and play. All I need is a wiring and a resistor, and I could just connect this straight to the switch, and it'll be like a plug and play, like straight from factory. But that's not what we're talking about, y'all. We're talking about this pocket on my 2003 truck. It is empty. But I've saw on trucks, especially the Intimidator SS, it came with that because, you know, that was a 2006 truck. Intimidator SS started coming out in 2006. So it came out with a traction control button right here, and I thought it looked cool. So the thing is, chat, we looked on eBay, we couldn't find one. This part is super rare and hard to find. I don't know why. It's just a traction control button. I guess just because they only made them in 2005, 2006 trucks. And I'm pretty sure it's not just Silverado SS. I'm pretty sure it's like the cat eyes and such. So basically, with that being said, I decided, like, you know what? I picked up this traction control switch because I'm gonna be adding it to my Silverado SS on the empty pocket slot. And if you guys take a look at the condition of this traction control switch, there is a couple cracks, as you see, which I don't know why there's a crack. I don't know what they did to this switch. If it's literally just here sitting in its place, maybe they were crashing out and they were like breaking it or something. But we got this switch over from the group chat. If you guys don't know, I'm in a group chat on Facebook, the Silverado SS group chat, where, you know, we just post updates about our Silverado SS trucks. Pretty cool over there. And I was like, man, you know what? I was asking, like, what is this switch for? So this is a traction control switch for specific model trucks from 2005 and up, Silverado. And you know what? I was like, bro, I like OEM parts. So I was like, you know what? Why not add this switch just for the cosmetics look to my Silverado SS? I think it'll be pretty neat, cool idea. So this is gonna be going on my Silverado SS truck. The bad thing about it is, like I said, it's just kind of cracked, bad conditioning. The lettering is like kind of yellowish. It's supposed to be white, and light is supposed to shine through, as you see. But the thing about this, guys, like I said, my truck, my Silverado SS, is a 2003. Originally, it didn't come with the wiring for this, well, the wiring harness, because like I said, my truck's 2003. Well, I know what people do is they swap out the harness, but I'm not trying to do all that. The only bad side about this, guys, is that I cannot add my specific choice of LED. I can't really convert it to an LED because I don't have the harness connection to this, because like I said, my truck's a 2003 and never came with this. I'm only getting this for the cosmetics looks. I did see some TikTok videos. I messaged somebody on Instagram. They actually swapped out an entire Silverado SS original harness straight to a single cab clone. And I saw Ondgas as well do it to one of their trucks that they gave away back in the past. If you guys search up Ondgas Intimidator SS clone single cab, you will see the interior. They have this traction control switch. So I assume they swapped out the entire original harness from an Intimidator over to a single cab. But like I said, I could do that, guys, but I'm not trying to deal with that. Just to add a white LED. And like I said, more just because like it's kind of cracked. This is kind of in bad condition, but this was the only one I was able to find, you know, out there. So I got lucky, because if it wasn't for this, what I'm holding right here in my hand, I wouldn't have a traction control switch at all, because they're just hard to find unless I get a whole new truck just for that, or you know. So I guess that was the only option, guys. And you guys are probably wondering, why are you showcasing this in your Z71 truck? Why are you not in your Silverado SS truck? Well, guys, it's because it's still kept away. It's still cold. Right now, it's 27 degrees, chat. You guys remember I was making videos. It was literally turning 40 to 50 degrees, and it went back down, bro. And then the battery, such and such. And then speaking of the degrees and the weather, the mirror, I'm still waiting on my LED rear view mirror. So I'm just the OEM plus guy, guys. I'm an OEM plus guys. Does that make sense? I am getting the upgraded LED mirror, the one with the OnStar button. So I'm just like in love with OEM parts, chat, GM parts. So that's why I decided to get this specific LED review mirror and this traction control switch that we're talking about. So I think it's a pretty sweet idea. It's gonna look cool. You guys know, for this pocket, obviously I have a real Z71 4x4. That's why you see a real 4x4 switch right here. So, you know, it's just, I like OEM parts, guys. Something about OEM parts pretty cool. I wish these button switches came with the 2003 trucks, but you know, my truck is a 2003. This truck is a 2005, guys, but my Silverado SS is a 2003. So like I said, I'm not really like complaining or whatever, I'm just saying. But yeah, I just wanted to keep you guys up to date with this. It's gonna look cool though. Like I said, the only bad part, it's kind of, by the way, this is plug and play. It's just a clip, chat. You just clip it in. But like I said, I'd rather have this than an empty pocket. And it looks pretty cool. You know, it'd be nice if I could scrape this traction control button off, but I don't think you could do that. Yeah, it's like printed on there. You can't do that, guys. But yeah, I'm just wondering, how did they like crack this, chat? Look at that. Y'all see the condition of this? But yeah, at least we got the switch. I'm just, bro, if you try to look it up. Oh, by the way, these are out of stock, chat. These were like 20 bucks from AC Del Sol. You guys know AC Del Sol, the company that sells like GM parts. This is out of stock, guys. This is a discontinued part. You know how you could still get some parts from the GM official store, the dealer? Well, for this is discontinued, and for AC Del Sol's website, they ran out. They're out of stock. So I would have had a nice, better condition switch, but I guess better than nothing, right, chat? It's just, I like these little details, chat. Y'all see that this is not an aftermarket button, chat. This is a real OEM button. Y'all see that? Y'all hear that? Like, this is so clean, chat. I feel it's gonna look nice on the truck. It's gonna really complement the truck. I just want my truck to be fully complemented with stuff like this. OEM, genuine, real parts only, chat. Right here is gonna look nice, man. Like I said, the only bad part, there's no light up for it, but I don't mind it because it doesn't really bother me, because I know my truck didn't come with this, and I'm just doing it for fun. I'm doing it for content. I'm doing it for cosmetic ideas, and I'm just trying to like be creative, chat, if that makes sense. So let me know what y'all think, man. Drop a like, subscribe, man. I can't wait. I do need a thumb. Let's see if I can do it here. A thumbnail. Oh yeah, there you go. Let's see if we can do it like this, chat, with the flash. Definitely gonna look nice. Jesus, ignore the wiper switch. Look how dirty that is, dude. But yeah, I think it's pretty sweet, chat. Pretty nice. Let me know what y'all think. Alright, chat, but drop a like, subscribe, share the video with a friend. I don't know how else to get a thumbnail. But it'll look nice. Yeah, y'all see that yellowing, man. Just ignore that yellowing, chat. I tried to clean it and it just wouldn't clean off. So drop a like, subscribe, chat. Appreciate y'all. And yeah, man, appreciate the love. I guess that's all I could do, chat. Look, I can't really. That should be a good thumbnail. I wish I could get it like this, actually. But I think that might be better. But drop a like, subscribe, chat. Appreciate it. And I am out to the next one. GG's. Alright, chat. Drop a like, subscribe. GG's.